Welcome, Kim Hun, English Conversation.
Hello everyone, welcome to our English podcast.
Today, we will talk about family and friends.
This is an easy English conversation.
You can listen, repeat, and practice with us. Part 1. Warm-up conversation.
Do you have a big family?
Yes, I do. I have 5 people in my family. How about you?
My family is small. I live with my mother and father.
That's nice. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. He is older than me.
Part 2. Talking about family members.
Let's learn some family words. Mother, father, brother, sister, son, daughter, grandmother, grandfather.
I will ask you a question. Who is your favorite family member?
My favorite family member is my grandmother. She is very kind.
That's wonderful. Part 3. Daily life with family.
What do you do with your family?
I eat dinner with my family every night.
I like watching TV with my family.
Sometimes we go to the park on Sunday. Part 4. Talking about friends.
Let's talk about friends. Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have many friends at school.
What do you do with your friends?
I play tennis with my friends. We also study together.
That sounds fun.
Part 5. Comparing family and friends.
Family is very important. Friends are also important.
Yes, family gives us love, friends give us fun.
I love my family and I love my friends.
Me too.
Who is in your family?
My family has 4 people, my father, my mother, my sister, and me.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Anna. We study English together.
Today we talked about family and friends.
We learned new words and easy sentences.
Thank you for listening.
See you next time.